Best Sport Motorcycles 2025, Moto Guzzi V7 Stone 10. In a thrilling announcement for motorcycle enthusiasts worldwide, the year 2025 has dawned with the unveiling of the Moto Guzzi V7 Stone 10, setting a new benchmark in the realm of sport motorcycles. With its blend of heritage and cutting-edge technology, Moto Guzzi has once again captured the essence of exhilarating riding experiences. Design and performance. The Moto Guzzi V7 Stone 10 represents a bold evolution from its predecessors, embodying a fusion of classic Moto Guzzi styling cues with modern engineering advancements. Boasting a powerful 850 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, the V7 Stone 10 delivers a compelling mix of torque and agility, making it equally adept on city streets and winding mountain roads. Its distinctive silhouette is adorned with sleek lines and premium finishes, ensuring that every ride is as visually striking as it is exhilarating. Technological innovation. At the heart of the Moto Guzzi V7 Stone 10 lies a state-of-the-art electronic suite, featuring ride-by-wire throttle control, selectable riding modes, and advanced traction control. These innovations not only enhance rider safety but also tailor the motorcycle's performance to suit varying road conditions and riding styles. Whether navigating urban traffic or exploring open highways, the V7 Stone 10 promises a responsive and dynamic riding experience. Comfort and ergonomics. Understanding the importance of rider comfort, Moto Guzzi has meticulously crafted the V7 Stone 10 with ergonomic precision. A redesigned saddle provides enhanced support during extended journeys, while adjustable suspension settings cater to individual preferences for handling and ride quality. These thoughtful details ensure that riders can enjoy long stretches in the saddle without compromising on comfort or control. Market impact and availability. Anticipation among motorcycle enthusiasts has reached a fever pitch as the Moto Guzzi V7 Stone 10 prepares to hit showrooms worldwide in the coming months. With its blend of timeless design, robust performance, and innovative features, the V7 Stone 10 is poised to carve out a significant presence in the competitive sport motorcycle market of 2025. Moto Guzzi's commitment to craftsmanship and technological prowess ensures that each V7 Stone 10 delivers an unparalleled riding experience, setting a new standard for sport motorcycles in the years to come. Conclusion. As Moto Guzzi continues to redefine the boundaries of sport motorcycle engineering, the V7 Stone 10 stands as a testament to the brand's legacy of innovation and passion for two-wheeled adventure. With its combination of heritage-inspired design, cutting-edge technology, and uncompromising performance, the Moto Guzzi V7 Stone 10 promises to captivate riders and enthusiasts alike, ushering in a new era of exhilaration on the open road.